Hey folks, my pressure vacuum breaker is not sealed anymore, so the water's spilling out. So instead of replacing this whole unit, or even only this piece here, fixing the gaskets inside. So stay tuned. You gotta twist the lid. You don't have to actually take these screws out, you just twist it. And then you should see a seal here. You'll take this out. You push down, twist, and you get this out. It's spring loaded. Right here's the spring. And then you have here that other piece. And this one for me is broken. So I'm gonna replace this, and as I'm at it, I'll also replace another washer here. So I have found one broken gasket here, split, and one broken gasket in here. So there are replacement kits out there, but they're like 50-60 bucks, and I just want to replace my O-rings here. So I went to Menards and tried to match them up, so I did the best I can. This one seems to be pretty okay. I think it's less than $1. And this one here was a bit more tricky. So I could find one with almost the diameter, but I gotta cut it, so it's way too big. So we'll see how that works out. We'll see. I super glued the piece, so it's pretty much in the center here. And now I'm gonna mark it and cut it. Okay. So it's close, not super great. Let's see if it holds up. Okay, it's time to put it back together. So put this piece in first, and put the spring, and remember, the spring latches on like so. So you put this down, it sits in that groove, then you push it and twist it. Okay, so there's some notches here and there. Alright, see, now it's under tension. Now you put this piece in, spikes go up. Now comes the bonnet ring. So the one I got from Menards is a tiny bit too large, so it does not fit in, as you can see. So I need to make it work a little bit so I can roll it. There's really no way to shrink it. So what I'm gonna do now is, just be quick, put it in a good way. And twist it on. All right, now we can test it. And here we go. I think it's good. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. See ya.